this morning I'm doing things a little differently. I'm gonna do some weight training before I go for my run. I did some weight training with you. I did some legs because we all know I like legs. I like to work legs. Are you going running this morning? Are you coming with? Or did you want to finish your workout?
I guess I'll come with you.
Yeah? Okay. I didn't think you were going to. Because I know you hate running. Maybe you'll start liking it after a while. No? What about after yesterday's rainy run?
It didn't turn me off to it because I already didn't like it.
I enjoyed it. It was nice and refreshing.
You enjoyed running in the rain?
Mm-hmm. It really wasn't that bad. It's not as bad once you're past it. It doesn't seem so bad.
You know what? I wasn't all that hot yesterday.
That's true, right? See? I'm going to get my different shoes on.
Yay, look who's running. Yay.
You look ready and happy.
No, I'm not happy. Kicked a rock.
All right. Let's get moving. Okay, this path isn't wide enough for both of us to run down it, so I'm going first. Why am I going first? Because I'm a slower runner. Otherwise, he would lose me. Because he's so fast. He beat me back to the house. He ended up getting ahead of me.
She didn't have any video of that, though.
No, I was trying to keep up with you too much.
When I'm behind, she's, oh, look, he's so far behind. She turned that camera off, blew past her.
He was ready to get back home.
So I have to go to work. I do have a question.
Okay.
Why
Sweat?
are you not sweating?
I am.
Does it look like she's sweating? Somebody answer. Does she look sweaty?
Yes, you can see it right there.
It's just skin.
It's not skin, watch.
Did you guys see?
I can feel it dripping down my scalp.
Okay.
My
Well,
hair catches it all.
have you guys ever seen the movie where the wives are all robots?
It's been a long time, hasn't it?
Yeah. I think I had the guy from Ferris Bueller's Day Off. I think that's my wife. I think that she could be a robot.
No.
I'm sorry that I squint when I talk, but it's because I can't breathe because I went running. So I'm like this. I have eyes. That's going to end up being the thumbnail. Why do I know that?
We better get going because you got to go to work and I got work to do.
Whew.